Later in this video.
Is that your Honda?
Yeah.
I'm looking for a car that is a good candidate to fix up a little bit.
You have me intrigued.
Yeah, okay, cool.
Addmotor sent out this electric bike to me a few weeks back, and they wanted me to test it out. So how better to test this thing out than to ride around town and see if I can find a stranger that might need help with their vehicle. First things first, we had to assemble the bike. It was super simple, took about an hour, and they sent all the tools that you'll need to set it up. The materials are very strong, well built. I especially love how this LED headlight looks. It's got disc brakes. All the electronics are already set up for you. Pretty much just plug them all together.
Dang, this thing just wants to rip. Oh my!
Once the bike was all set up, we took a trip over to Wawa to grab some lunch, and I was very surprised what we found.
Ooh, I see something I like. Check this puppy out. Maybe I can use this for the video. That could be a perfect candidate. I want to buy this, and it's manual. Look at this thing. All right, I'm liking what I'm seeing. That's a pretty good candidate, I'm not gonna lie. Maybe they need some help with their car. Let's see, maybe this is him. Is this your Honda? Is that your Honda?
Yeah.
Thing's pretty sweet.
Thank you.
Are you into cars at all, or just get around?
Yeah.
Okay.
I like my Hondas.
Yeah, heck yeah. Yeah, it's got the stock D series, do you know?
Yeah.
Stock engine?
Yeah. The guy was gonna B-series swap it.
Okay.
I didn't have enough money for that, so
Yeah, I hear you. If you were interested, I'm looking for a car that is a good candidate to fix up a little bit.
The front brakes are like the only thing that works.
Okay.
So
I gotcha.
The brakes aren't even hooked up because
Oh.
the lines are rotted out.
Really? Would you be interested in a couple like free upgrades / maintenance modifications?
I mean, I can't really. You have me intrigued.
Yeah, okay,
That's
cool.
for sure.
Yeah, you can check out my page if you got a sec.
Yeah.
Try to just help people out and make it a positive impact, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
And
Need some more of that in the world.
yeah, for sure. All right, Eric, I'll let you go. Nice meeting you, bro.
Yeah, nice meeting
Take it easy.
Take care.
Well, that was unexpected and awesome. We might have just found the right candidate. We just got back from the ride. This bike is super dope. Shout out again to Addmotor for sending this out. Having such a blast riding this thing. We probably found the next candidate that will be following up to this video. So super stoked about that. We'll be helping that guy out with his car. Thanks to Addmotor for helping us out with that video.
We are here at the shop a little whiles later, and guess who just showed up? All right, so we got Eric here with his, what year is it again?
98.
98 Honda Civic. So, Eric, where did we meet?
Yeah, Wawa parking lot, just across the street.
Yep, we just met and ran into Eric, just grabbing some lunch, and I was looking for a candidate to help him out with his car. So what's stopping you from getting this thing finished right now?
You know how it is. Just not enough time, not enough money.
Yep, I hear you. Well, that's what we do here. We help out people just like Eric with their builds. So we're gonna get cranking away on this thing. We're gonna clean it up real nice for Eric. He's gonna help me out with this build. We're gonna do it a little differently, and I'll show you guys what we do.
Simple Builds is about the cars, but it's just as much about the community. Being able to help people like Eric on this Honda Civic is really what brings this community together and helps spread positivity in the car community. That is all possible because you guys support watching, liking, subscribing, purchasing clothing from simpleclothing.co. It all goes back into the channel and helps me to do more videos like this, so any support is much appreciated. But today we have a whole bunch of awesome upgrades and modifications for Eric's car, so we're going to jump right into it, starting with some suspension.
First order of business is the Max Peating rods. Thank you to these guys for sending out these coilovers. You guys know these are a cheaper option, but they get the job done, so we're gonna use these on the Civic. They're gonna be better than factory. We're gonna lower this car a little bit, but just dailyable, so let's throw these in.
Huge thanks to Max Peating Rods for sending out these coils for this build. You guys may hear trash talk about this brand, but I used these on the very first giveaway build that I did on the channel, and he's still rocking these to this day, and he has had no complaints with them. So as long as you're not doing extreme track conditions, these coils are a great budget option for you. They're seriously upping their game. They changed the color up a little bit, and these things are looking very high quality, so I'm super excited to throw these into this build. Welcome to the simple ASMR segment. Enjoy the next 15 or 20 seconds.
Oh, heck yeah.
Not many things are more satisfying than swapping out old, rusted car parts that are on their way out anyways for a nice brand new upgraded version. This specific series of coilover from Max Speeding Rods is the T7. It is specifically designed for daily street use and junior track use. It does have adjustable dampening, an upgraded spring, and full height adjustment capabilities.
Time to throw the wheels on. We're gonna check ride height. Hopefully we got it pretty close. It is always hit or miss with these things, so we'll throw these on. We didn't tighten up the back fully on the bottom, just in case we need to adjust the ride height. Hopefully we got pretty close, but we're about to see. Check it out. Here we go, we're gonna test the ride height, see if we can nail it in the first try or not.
You're going.
Oh baby, too high. The back looks good. I think we can go a lot lower on the front. Usually I try to hit like a 1-finger gap, but as you can see here, this is too much. So this is about a 2-finger gap. And then on this side, we got about a 1-finger gap right straight across, just like that. So we're gonna lower the front one to be a 1-finger gap as well. Taillights are in. They look absolutely amazing. No yellow on these ones at all. We got the clear side markers, which I think looks so good, makes a huge difference alone, and they're brand new out of the box, so that looks amazing. The ride height is almost perfect for a daily car. We dialed it in on the front. We dropped that down a little bit, as you guys saw. So I'll show you what that looks like now. As you can see right there, the fitment is pretty good. Obviously the spacing is not, because he'll eventually get new wheels, but that looks really good like that. Took the front bumper off, as you saw, and the headlights need to get restored. We're gonna finish up some work on the front end now. And there we go, just like that. We got two pretty much brand new headlights. That is awesome. And on that note, we pulled out the car, bagged it off. We're gonna start sanding it, get it ready for paint. Hopefully it doesn't rain on us, but we should be okay. Gotta sand down the bumper, sand down the hood and the fender. We're gonna do some quick paint work, make it look better than it does right now. Break, man. It hasn't rained all day. I pull the car out, it starts downpouring. Are you serious? It was some lady's car that I was working on for. Boom. So he's turning it around right now. We're just about done with the car. It looks really good. We're gonna throw the hubcaps on, front lip on, we lowered it down. Oh my God, it looks so good. We got some VRP plastic trim restore. That is sick, dude. The car is actually completed. It's finished up. I think it looks really good, but it doesn't matter what I think. Eric, bro, what do you think of the car?
Looks beautiful.
How did it turn out?
Oh yeah, a million times better.
Any words for the viewers?
I mean, hey, Seth's a good guy. What can I say? I'm a man of few words.
Hey Eric, appreciate it. Thanks for bringing your car to me, dude. Happy to help you out with it. And this thing turned out pretty sweet. This fender here did have a little chemical reaction. There's a ton of runs in this one, but that kind of sucked, but you know what? Everything's a lesson, so you just take from it and then move forward and try to get better. So we'll address that at a later date. Like I said, not perfect, but it's a simple transformation. That's what we do here, give you guys ideas to do stuff on a budget. Thanks again to the sponsors of today's video, Max Heating Rods. And thanks again to Addmotor for helping sponsor this video and sending out that bike so that we could go out and actually find someone to help transform their car. Guys, if you enjoyed this video, please hit that like button, hit the subscribe button. Plenty more stuff like this to come soon. Leave a comment, let me know what you thought. Thanks for tuning in. I'll see you guys in the next one.